Welcome to Gallery Teachers Workshop. My name is Mari Pettigrew, and today we're looking at clarifying meaning and checking understanding. This seems to be one of the most difficult things for novice teachers. This session is going to look at things very, very simply. I'm going to give a simple background to theories about teaching language. I'll show some basic techniques you can use to clarify meaning. I'll show some basic techniques for how you can check understanding. Explore some of the issues around clarifying meaning and checking understanding. I'd like you to share your ideas. What have you found successful? What have you found problematic? What solutions do you have for these problems? Let's share our ideas and see if we can help each other.